Hi everyone, I'll show you how to install and remove your SIM card and memory card into your Galaxy S10. It's for the S10e or S10 Plus. They're all same. So there's on the top, there's a little hole, as you can see right here. You stick your SIM card, pull, and then click in it, click inside of it, and then your SIM tray will come out. And now you can pull it out, and the first goes in your memory card on top. You have to slide it this way. Okay, here it is, goes in first, and then your memory card, the SIM card I mean, first SIM card and then memory card, and then you just slide it in perfectly. Make sure if it doesn't go perfectly easily, don't push it in or you'll break it. So as you can see, it's really simple. And then same way you pull it out, just like you can see and then you flip it over, push on it, and here it is. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.